Hey everyone, so I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be doing a video on this boy beat that I did with mostly products that I got from Glossier a couple days ago. This is what it's looking like. It came in this little pink Ziploc bag. I got a couple of brochures from the makeup store. It came with some little cute stickers here that say Glossier on them. I ended up getting this set, which was for $40. Stretch concealer got it in Deep 04, and this fits my skin perfectly, so I can literally have this on the go spot treat on my face, which is what I've been doing lately. It came with the Boy Brow in black, as well as the sheer matte lipstick in Leo. And yeah, I'm basically going to show you the less is more type of makeup and my interpretation of the boy beat, so let's get into it.